yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ain't no stressing on the low, got these bitches.
Took a wild ways going in. Me and Lil Sicko sitting sideways, breaking tens. Used to be an antisocial nigga, now I'm making friends.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy SHAM, man. I know. Before y'all just get on me in the comments. Those of you who still here, yes, I've been gone for a very long time, a very long time. It's a whole new year. Y'all ain't seen your boy SHAM since last year, man. And I ain't gonna really address all of that stuff. I'll address it in another video that's probably gonna be talking about the state of 2K right now on next gen. But just long story short, man, I haven't been enjoying this game, man. Like every other content creator out there, man, that y'all probably heard of, that are moving on to other games. My whole channel, I revamped it to be a 2K channel, but maybe I'll have to start doing some live content, because man, I've been on that Live 19 just like everybody else. I went back to it since I got a PlayStation, you know. Since I switched to PlayStation, I had to start over on NBA Live 19. So I've been grinding on there, man. We've been having a bunch of motherfucking fun. So I really haven't been on 2K too much, man, but I know I've been slacking on these videos. I need to at least try to get some videos out on this game, because I did grind the hell out of it. But it's just not fun right now, man, and 2K needs to do something about it. I ain't trying to rag on 2K and make this video very negative, but in general, this video right here is long overdue, man. This video, I did a little snippet of it on my TikTok months ago when the game came out, and this got over 20K views on TikTok. People want to know how to create Burt, the most drippiest face scan on 2K, period. Whether you're on current gen or next gen, it don't matter. And this is the most drippiest face creation on 2K, man. This is my face scan, so if you want to look like me on the court, man, this is the video for you. So yeah, just stay tuned, man. I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like. It's very fucking funny. You're gonna pull a lot of hoes, you know what I'm saying? Even though the city is, it ain't that many hoes in the city, it's a few to pull, man. It's a few to pull, you know what I'm saying? So you can pull the t-shirt lady, the ladies that's selling the jerseys, you know who I'm talking about. You can pull them. Just pull up with Burt. That's all you gotta do. But man, let's get into it so I can show y'all how to create this face scan. Video is gonna be super quick, and I got more videos coming, man. I promise y'all. I'm gonna start this grind. Even though I'm not liking 2K right now, I'm gonna still try to find a way to make it fun and make my content still interesting, so you know we can get this channel rolling, man, because I've been slacking out here. I cannot lie. I cannot cap any longer. So let's get it. have it, man. Simple, man. That's how you create Burt on NBA 2K21, current gen and next gen. Same principles apply, man. I hope to see y'all out here at this park, man. I know I say man a lot in these videos. It's just how I talk, y'all. But anyways, it's very good to be back, man. I'm gonna try to keep up these videos as much as possible, but it is very, very hard. I'm in the process of trying to get a new computer because right now I edit all my videos off of InShot on my iPhone, so it's very hard for me to like really put out videos as quick as I want to. But when I get this computer, man, it's gonna turn up from there, because I'm gonna be able to really sit down and master this shit, man, because I'm trying to be one of the biggest YouTubers possible, and I want all my YouTube family to come over there and follow me on Twitch. So if you want to come over to Twitch, man, my Twitch is in the description, twitch.tv/SHAM. I haven't been streaming that much lately just because I haven't been doing YouTube. So really I was trying to do YouTube in order to grow my Twitch, which is the best formula to do it. So if I'm not doing YouTube, then there's really no point in streaming. But man, if y'all comment on this video, y'all want to come through and see me stream, I stream a lot of different shit. Like, I play a lot of different games, man. Some shit that you would never expect. But if you want to get to know me better and want to come vibe, want to come play, want to come give a sub, if you sub to my Twitch, you get all these cool ass benefits, man. So just keep fucking with me, man. I appreciate everybody that's still here. I'm still grinding, I'm still working, man. I'm doing what I gotta do, but I could do better. It's a new year. Happy New Year to everybody. I know I'm hella late, it's almost February, but I appreciate everybody. And wait until y'all see this demon at 99. But we'll leave that for another video, man. I love y'all, boys. I appreciate everything y'all do. Y'all come through for me when I need y'all to, man. Much love. And you know, I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.